how to add Facebook pixel to Shopify. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your Facebook pixel to your Shopify store so that you can start tracking your visitors and tracking your customers. Now before I go on, I just want to say that depending on when you watch this video, things might be different, as in what you see on your screen might be a little bit different from what you see on my screen. That's mainly because all these platforms change their layout really quickly all the time. Okay, so if you don't see exactly the same steps that I laid out, don't worry about it. As long as you understand how it works and understand the principles behind it, you should be able to achieve the same steps as well. So first things first, you want to grab the Facebook pixel that you want to install on your Shopify store, right? So go over to business.facebook.com and you should see your Facebook business dashboard. Now if you don't already have a Facebook pixel created, what you can do is go to business settings, then click on data sources, then click on pixels, and over here just click add. Alright, then give your pixel a name, enter your Shopify store URL if you have it, then click continue and follow the steps after that. They're quite straightforward. Then your pixel would have been created. Alright, so assuming you've already created your pixel, what you then want to do is go back to business.facebook.com, then this time click on Events Manager, and you can see all your different pixels listed here. So choose the pixel that you want to create. So in my example, I'll just go with the first one, and you can see on the right over here it says what the pixel is, so just copy this thing. Then go on to your Shopify store dashboard. On the left menu, click on Online Store, then click on Preferences. What you want to do is scroll down until you see Facebook Pixel, and this is where you enter your Facebook Pixel. I've already entered mine, but if you haven't done it yet, this will be blank. So just go ahead and paste it in there and click Save, and your Facebook Pixel would have been installed successfully onto your Shopify store. Now how will you know if you have installed your Facebook Pixel correctly on Shopify? So just go to Google and search for Facebook Pixel Helper. Then click on the first one which says Google Chrome, right? You're going to install this on Chrome. Again, I'm going to assume that you're using Chrome, alright? I've already installed the Facebook Pixel Helper on my Chrome browser. So if you haven't already done so, just add this to Chrome. Now once you're done, go on to your Shopify store. So I'm just going to load mine, right? Let it load. Then what you're going to do is click on this extensions icon over here. Click on the Facebook Pixel Helper. And as long as you can see a green check mark, you know that you're good to go. So that is how you install the Facebook Pixel on Shopify, and then use the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension to make sure that you've installed it correctly. Alright? Hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.